Effective communication for entrepreneurs. Effective communication for entrepreneurs. Effective communication is a crucial skill for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs need to communicate effectively with their team members, partners, customers, and investors. Poor communication can lead to misunderstandings, wasted time, and lost opportunities. In this article, we will discuss the importance of effective communication for entrepreneurs and provide tips and strategies for improving misunderstandings, wasted time, and lost opportunities. In this article, we will discuss the importance of effective communication for entrepreneurs and provide tips and strategies for improving communication skills. Why effective communication matters for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are often juggling many responsibilities, and communication can easily take a backseat. However, effective communication is essential for any successful business. Here are some reasons. High effective communication matters for entrepreneurs. High effective communication matters for entrepreneurs. 1. Build strong relationships. Communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. Whether it's with team members, partners, customers, or investors, effective communication helps build trust, understanding, and a shared vision. Understanding and a shared vision. 2. Increases efficiency. Clear communication saves time and reduces the chance of misunderstandings. When everyone understands their roles and responsibilities, they can work together more efficiently. 3. Improves decision-making. Effective communication ensures that everyone has the information they need to make informed decisions. When everyone is on the same page, decisions can be made quickly. Confidently. 4. Boosts productivity. Effective communication keeps everyone focused on the task at hand. When everyone understands the goals and priorities, they can work together to achieve them. 5. Builds a strong brand. Communication also plays a key role in building a strong brand. Effective communication helps entrepreneurs articulate their values, mission, and vision, which can attract customers and investors. Customers and investors. Tips for effective communication. Now that we know why effective communication is important, let's look at some practical tips for improving communication skills. 1. Be clear and concise. Clear and concise communication is essential for avoiding misunderstandings. Stick to the point, use simple language, and avoid unnecessary jargon. 2. Listen first. Effective communication is a two-way street. Start by listening carefully to others' perspectives and concerns. This not only shows respect, but also helps create a shared understanding. 3. Use active listening. Active listening means actively engaging with the speaker by asking questions, paraphrasing, and summarizing. This helps ensure that everyone is on the same page and avoids misunderstandings.